Wow. That's one of the reasons why I don't want neighbors. I mean, they're going to bring that fight outside too. Like, y'all were inside. Now you're going to bring it outside. Thought I moved away from all that. So I have another little idea here that I like to try out. Sorry, no, it's like dark in here. It's kind of dark in here. Well, the sun is setting, so yeah. I want to try this right at this time of the day so I can see how it looks. I have these, I guess they're called patio lights. These little they're LED bulb string lights. It's supposed to be for, like, you'll see those on those restaurants would have on their outdoor spaces to make it look nice for guests to have a meal outside. I want to see if I can attach these on the rails, on both rails, both sides, and see how that looks. See, the lighting that's in here right now, ooh, that just scared the crap out of me. I just have these desk lamps. I mean, I don't feel like they're really providing enough light, or maybe they're just not shining lighting right through. I'm not sure. I don't know. They are 100 feet long, and these rails are probably, actually, let me just measure them right there. So 1, 2, 3, about maybe 10 feet on each rail. That might be a little too bright, because I mean, you see how many bulbs there are on one line, and then it's set up to where you can't detach them. But this is one continuous 100-foot line. Oh, this is going to be interesting. So I'm going to have to wrap these rails maybe about 5 times each with these lights. Why do they have it like that? I don't even know where to start with this. You know what? Let's take this outside. So it's not as nice as I thought it would look. It does kind of look a little tacky. You know, definitely do it yourself looking. And then it kind of takes out from the headspace too. Probably get another zip tie on that one. All right, let's plug these in and see what they look like. You can see how, you know, those desk lights, they don't really get much light in here. It's like the shields over the desk lights, they're blocking too much light from, you know, really lighting up the place. This is probably going to just be like an idea of how it's going to be in here, how it's going to look once I get the actual lighting system set up. Because right now I just have shore power. I don't have my entire electrical, I don't have anything on my electrical system built yet. But this is actually pretty cool. There's a lot of light going on in here. And it's actually making it feel really homey in here too. Oh my goodness. Isn't that crazy? And these things are supposed to dim too. I'm not sure how that's even supposed to work. I guess if you have it plugged into something that can like limit the power, it will actually dim. Wow, this actually looks pretty cool. Wow, should give me some pretty good lighting too for video recording. And I know the black wires are like, I don't like how the black wires are just there. Look at that. That's pretty cool.